So you've got pain right here at the elbow. Let's talk about how to fix it, what it is. First of all, it's typically called tennis elbow, lateral epicondylitis. It's inflammation and irritation of the muscles that extend your wrist, kind of like you're riding a motorcycle. Rule number one, or like an analogy that I think is helpful, is pretend like you have an open wound in your elbow. Every time you're doing an activity that causes pain or irritation, you're ripping off the scab of that open wound, and it's just never going to heal. That's how things become chronic. I also like to compare tennis elbow to chronic low back pain. People kind of do things and it tweaks their back, and they just keep doing it over and over and over, and that's how back pain becomes chronic. Bad habits a lot of times. Now it's deeper than that, but this is a short, simple video. So much like chronic low back pain, if you want to get out of chronic low back pain, one of the easiest ways to do it is take a walk, because that's a way you can move and use your muscles without causing pain, without picking that scab off. With the elbow, it's the same type of thing. We're going to take your elbow muscles for a walk. One of the simplest ways to do it is to grab a towel, grip it like this. It's a pretty tight squeeze, as tight as you can make it without pain. Take your elbow as straight as you can without pain, and then bend it as far as you can without pain. Now, if you have trouble with tennis elbow, palms down lifting is going to be your weakness. So you got to directly train that in a slow and controlled way, all the way down, all the way up. A couple times a day, as much tension as you can handle without pain, 10 to 20 reps of that. Another forgotten exercise is to put a rubber band over your hand and just sit there and extend your fingers and relax. Extend your fingers and relax. And if you get your elbow straighter as you're doing it, extend those fingers and relax. You're kind of tightening up those muscles and then relaxing. Tighten up those muscles, relaxing. As you can tell, you don't have to have a rubber band, but you can if you want. You just put it around your fingers, open your hand, close your hand. Open your hand, close your hand. One thing that's overrated is this right here. People do this all the time, thinking they're going to stretch that and fix it. That might help a little bit, but in my experience treating thousands of people with tennis elbow, usually you got to strengthen it and stretch it. So yes, that might help a little bit, but it's not going to get you over the hump. One other piece of advice, do yourself a favor, look up the Inertial Tennis Elbow Protocol. I believe that's spelled NIRSHL, Tennis Elbow Protocol. That's one of the most commonly used protocols for rehabbing tennis elbow by most orthopedic doctors and therapists. Hope that helps. If for more in-depth videos, please visit upperextremityengineers.com and get your own personal exercise plan based on your unique needs.